مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss about the kind of prayers that you are able to do within the Jamaʿ and Qaṣr concession, which is to combine and also to shorten your prayers. Let's discuss about it. Do you know the rulings for praying as a traveler and when you can combine, which is to do the Jamaʿ, and shorten, which is called Qaṣr, for your prayers, according to Madhhab Shāfiʿī? Firstly, what are the prayers I can combine? And how do I do it? The rules for combining prayers are that you can combine Dhuhr and Asr, and you can combine Maghrib and Isha. You cannot combine other prayers than these. How do I shorten my prayer, which is to do Qaṣr? The rules for shortening prayers are: you can only shorten prayers consisting of 4 rak'at. You cannot shorten your Maghrib or your Fajr prayers. Prayers of 4 rak'at becomes 2 rak'at when you shorten it. This means that you can shorten Dhuhr, Asr, and Isha prayers. When can I combine or Jamaʿ my prayers? There are few situations where you can combine Jamaʿ your prayers. Some of them are like when you are traveling, or when it rains, or when you are sick, or you have any other valid needs, even if your needs are small. In Madhhab Shāfiʿī, it is said as adna hajah. That being said, you are also allowed to combine when you know that you will go through an unavoidable bad traffic situation and you do not have a proper place to pray along the way, or you will go through an operation for treatment, or if a doctor has to spend a long time in the operation theater. This may also apply to countries with very short time of prayers in the summer or the winter. In this video, we will mainly discuss about the topic of traveling, or which is called Safar. Firstly, there are some different terms for your status as a resident or traveler you need to know. Now these are Mustauṭin, Muqīm, and Musafir. So the question is, what is Mustauṭin? A Mustauṭin is a person in his permanent hometown where he lives. The next is, what is Muqīm? A Muqīm is a person who is in a long-term temporary residence away from his hometown by 48 miles or 77.2485 kilometers. Now this happens when you stay at a place for more than 4 complete days. For example, you are visiting your uncle and aunt for 1 week and you are residing with them. Now you cannot shorten, which is Qaṣr, or combine Jamaʿ your prayers once you have reached your destination. But you should pray as normally you do. This also applies to students residing long-term in an area, or immigrant workers, or holiday goers. What is Musafir? Now, Musafir. There are two ways a person can be considered as Musafir. Two ways. Number one, you are on a journey towards a destination. Now, you are a Musafir when you are undertaking a journey of more than 77.2485 kilometers or 48 miles from when you leave the borders of your district. You can combine Jamaʿ and shorten Qaṣr your prayers all the way during your journey, even if the traveling lasts for a very long time. You may start combining and shortening your prayers as soon as you left the borders of your district, even if you have not completed the journey of 77.2485 kilometers or 48 miles yet. Another way that you will be considered as a Musafir is that you have arrived at your destination. Now, you can only combine and shorten your prayers as a Musafir if you reside at a place for less than 4 complete days. Now, those 4 complete days does not necessarily means 96 hours. The calculation of 4 complete days will be explained later. If you are staying at a place for more than 4 complete days, then you are a Muqīm and not a Musafir anymore. Hence, you are supposed to do your prayers normally without combining Jamaʿ or shortening Qaṣr once you are a Muqīm.
يا رب يا رب الأرباب عبدك فقيرك على الباب